Did somebody send you a file that's in an HEIC format and you're wondering how to open them? Then make sure to watch the short video tutorial to learn how you can open them in a Windows computer. Now for the first fix, you can open it in Photos. Just double-click the HEIC file you want to open, then click Download Install Now for the HEIF extension to be downloaded. Now once you click Download and Install Now, you may also need to click Yes to launch the Microsoft Store. Once opened, click Get to install the extension and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. For the next method, use a third-party app like iAmazing Converter from Microsoft Store. To download, open Microsoft Store, search for iAmazing app, then click Get and follow the on-screen instructions. Just take note that if the HEIC or HVC file you want to open is on your iPhone or iPad, you will need to transfer it to your PC first. Now once you have installed it, open the app, drag in your HEIC files, then select a format whether JPEG or PNG for photos, then click Convert, choose a location for your converted files, then click OK. Lastly, you can convert HEIC photos to JPEG or PNG and more using Paint. All you have to do is open the location of your HEIC file, right-click, select Open with Paint, then click File, select Save As, choose your file type, pick a name and location, and you can click Save As to save the file based on your picked file type. And that's it. You can now open and convert HEIC photos on a Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.